Hi guys, hello and welcome back to Stream Switch, the review channel. We review about anything, almost everything. So in this video, we are going to see about the review of betta fishes and the tank setup that you need to keep when you are buying a betta fish. So in this video, we are going to see what are the things you need to see when you are going to buy an betta fish and how to set up the tank for the betta fish. And we have already created a video on the history of the betta fishes, how it has been created and how its population has been increased and how it starts to export to other nations. So go and check it the video. We had given the videos link in the description as well as in the cards. So in this video we are completely going to see about the betta fishes, right? So when you are going for any pets, okay, whether it is fish or dogs or cats or anything else, if you are using a pet which is not familiar with your environment, that is your country, you need to know about the history and the origin place of a particular pet. Whether it is any kind of pets, you need to know the origin. So once you know the origin, you will be very familiar with what are the temperatures that you need to maintain and what are the foods and what are the special care that you need to give for a special type of pets. So like the betta fishes are created or originated in the Mekong basin. See, the Mekong basin is a basin around the Mekong river. So the river flows through Thailand, Laos, Cambodia and Vietnam. So these four countries compose of the Mekong basins, and in these basins the fighter fish or the betta fishes are normally found in the paddy fields as well as in the small ponds and lakes. So from here the genetically modified, now we are utilizing nearly 12 types of betta fishes and nearly many types of color schemes. So all these has been genetically modified, and now we are using the betta fishes, that is Siamese betta fighter fishes, for our domesticated purposes. So among these, the Thailand is giving more importance to the betta fishes, and especially if you take the betta fishes of the color now you are seeing in the screen, right? The combination of blue, white and red. So this combination, which is more resembles that of a Thailand's flag. So Thailand government has made this particular color schemed betta fish as their national fish. So this much importance this fish is having in that particular region, and all over the world this is one of the most attracted and most colorful fish that you can get from an aquarium. So as you all know, I think so you already know about betta fishes. So there are some peculiar characteristics that you need to keep on mind while buying an betta fish. So what are the things is that you need to see before buying a betta fish about their activity. So when you place two betta fishes, when two betta fishes are placed nearby by from separation of tank, you can see that when two betta fishes sees each other, they will be more aggressive, and the betta fishes, the male and the female betta, either the male or female, they will, when they face each other, they will show their gills and they will be more aggressive, and this shows that they are active. And the second thing that you need to see while you are buying an betta fish is their wings and fins as well as tails. So whether their wings or tails is damaged or it's a type, so you need to be very cautious about whether it is damaged or not. And the third tip that I will give to you is that always buy a smaller betta fish, so that it will not be used so much for reproduction activities. So if you buy a bigger one, there is a possibility that the shopkeeper or else in the production line, the betta fishes can be used extensively for reproduction or reproduction of the betta fishes, so that their lifespan will be reduced. So and another advantage of having the smaller betta fish in your tank is that because of its smallness, you can get more lifespan. For example, the normal life expectancy of a betta fish is 3 years to 5 years. So if you buy an 1 year or 6 month old betta fishes, so it will give you a more lifespan, so that you can use the same betta fish for as your companion for more longer period of time. So this is what the things that you need to see while you are buying the betta fishes. And the next thing is the tank setup. So while you are setting up the tank, most of the people will use a small cup or a small bowl, which is in the size of a cup. But what I recommend is, for healthy fish you need to maintain at least a 19 to 20 liters of water carrying capacity tank or a bowl. That is very much essential for a healthy living and a healthy development of a betta fish. So that is the thing that you need to water capacity that you need to be maintained. And next thing is the temperature. You need to maintain the temperature between 25 to 26 degrees Celsius with the help of a heater, so that this temperature will make the fish very stable and it will be very healthy. And the next thing is that these betta fishes, as you see, they are living in a stable pond or else in the paddy fields, which is so much stable, so the water is not flowing that much. So when you are selecting a motor, try to select a motor that is not blowing very much amount of air towards the betta fishes, that is in towards the tank. Try to reduce the circulation of the water, try to use a sponge filter or else a filter or else a extracting filter, so that the force of the water is very much reduced and the water need to be very much stable within the fish tank. That kind of water flow is very suitable for a betta fish to live, and it's for its healthy conditions. And the next one is that you need to be very cautious about the water that you are putting in, as these fishes are freshwater fishes, so that you need to use either the tap water or else the groundwater. So while you are using it, make sure that there is no salinity in it, so more salinity in it, and try not to use filtered water for the growing of the betta fishes. So for the growth of the betta fishes, the minerals are very essential when you are using purified water. So all the minerals will be extracted, so no minerals will be left for the betta fish to consume. So always use the tap water, dechlorinated tap water. So without chlorine, you need to use the water without chlorine. The next thing that you need to consider about setting up of the tank is that try to use some small type of small type of rock beds, that is minute particles of bed, like you are seeing in the video right now. So that will help to make the betta fishes to get stable and to, while they are sleeping, have a comfortable platform for their sleep. So these are the things that you need to consider while setting up of the tank. Okay, always try to reduce the motor, so always try to reduce the vibrations in the motor as much as you possible, because betta fishes are very much sensitive to vibrations. And always not place the betta fish tank near the TVs or speakers, because the vibrations will affect them most, because they are more sensitive and they can even listen what you are saying with the vibrations. Okay, so these are the things while you are need to consider while setting up of a tank. So next thing is the food. So food is very much essential for any growth of any organism, and especially for betta fishes there are so much things that are available in the market. Especially if you are growing a betta fish, the live foods are the suitable ones. Among the live foods, the tubifax worms are the most suitable one for the betta fishes. And if you see in the wild, they are eating the uh, small insects that is floating above the water, and the worms that are in the uh, paddy fields. So like this, if you are having a tubifax worms near your aquarium, go and take and put it in the for their feed, or else use the blood worms, or else use the freezed worms. If live worms are not available, get the freezed worms. And most importantly, don't overfeed the fish. Fighter fishes are more eat more. If you keep on giving more food, it keeps on eating. So don't give it. So give a particular food that it can take within 5 minutes of time. So that is the ideal food that you can give to it. If you give more food, then the constipation will occur. Normally constipation is a normal conditions that will occur easily on betta fishes. To avoid this, try to make try to give green peas. Okay, so once in a week try to give a boiled green peas, so that this peas will help to reduce the constipation since it has high fiber content. And try to fast once in a week your betta fish, once in a week, so that this constipation will not occur in the lifespan of betta fishes. And you can also treat your betta fishes by having boiled eggs in the tank. So if you do all these things, your betta fishes will be very healthy. And you can train betta fishes to any extent, like jumping, or else entering into a ring. You can do all these things with a proper training, so it can understand. So betta fishes can understand, and it is one of the most intelligent fish among all these things, among the fishes. This is one of the intelligent fishes. Okay, so all these things you need to know. And most importantly, betta fishes, according to IUCN red list, it is in the vulnerable category. That is, after the fighting market has been put down by the governments, this betta fishes start to decline. And now if you are very interested in raising the betta fishes, try to do all these things. Try to make sure that your betta fish or your fighter fish is growing very much healthy and safe with all these things, because it is in the vulnerable section. So soon it can become threatened. So if you are very interested in betta fishes, try to keep it very safe and secure, and do all these things for a very healthy betta fishes. And thanks for watching. Give your comments, and give your show your love in the likes and comments, and tell us what you think about the betta fishes. And among the 12 types of betta fishes, what you like the most, tell us in the comment section. And what you other pets that we need to review about anything, any materials from mobile phones till pets, we review about anything. So if you have any doubts, please tell us in the comment section below. And we have already made a video on the history of the betta fishes, how it has been detected and how it has been distributed. So go and check it there in your description and the cards. So until then, it's signing off, Stream Switch. Hope you already subscribed to the channel. Click on the bell icon so that you won't lose any of our videos. So until then, it's signing off, Stream Switch, the review channel, review about